My name is Daniel Asariche. I'm the CEO for Esoko. 90% of food produced in Africa are produced by smallholder farmers. And when these buyers go to buy from these people, the farmers themselves don't know how much their produce can actually worth in the market. And so they tend to accept any price. Esoko is an agricultural technology company, and our main aim is to provide digital and financial inclusion to smallholder farmers across Africa. All of this is provided via technological platforms to allow this farmer to have access to this price information on their mobile phones. So the farmer can show on his phone that, look, this is how much my produce is worth in this market. If you want to buy it from me, this is how much I expect to get from you. You are not only working with the farmers, you are also working with businesses that want to work with these farmers. What Esoko do is actually provide this marketplace where these farmers, service providers can come together to a common technological platform where they can actually do business between themselves. We've provided our services to more than 1 million farmers across 20 countries in Africa.